It's been about a month since my last trip out to the future site of Flatrock Motorsports Park, and I got some requests for an update, so here it is. But first, a quick disclaimer.
I'm in no way affiliated with Flatrock Motorsports Park or its construction partners.
No, sir. I'm just a very big Finkel fan.
So what's happened up there in the last month? Well, they have moved a lot of dirt. Much of the work is focused in this area where I believe the main clubhouse and garages will be. You can see a lot of this is being cleared and flattened, so I expect we'll see some concrete out here soon. A lot of this space will be used for condos, which are a pretty big source of revenue at club tracks. Atlanta Motorsports Park recently built some trackside condos, and I heard they were all sold before the construction even started. Flatrock also has plans for villas, which I think will be similar to the villas at Virginia International Raceway. Think of it as like a nice Airbnb with a view of the track that you can rent for the whole weekend. As for the track surface itself, well, it's still an off-road course. They have cleared off a lot of space around where the track is going to be, especially in this area, which I think will be the Grand Prix paddock. So after being really quiet all year, the Flatrock team has finally started dishing out some updates on social media. The biggest one so far would be the opening date, 2023. So that's a bit vague, but I totally get it. There's a shortage of everything right now, so trying to predict a huge construction project like this is a crapshoot. And I'm sure their costs have gone through the roof like, well, everything, so I'm just glad to see they are still committed. There are no details yet about membership costs or how many kidneys you'll need to sell for one of those condos or garages, but they did confirm on Facebook that even though Flatrock will be a private club, they will still rent out the track to various track day organizations. I'll be heading out there again later this summer, so stay tuned. And if you missed my original Flatrock video and want to know a little history of the project, check out the linked video at the end, and of course subscribe if you want more updates. Thanks for watching.